गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। आशा करछि आपण समस्त भलरे थिबे एवं आपण को पढ़ा पढ़ी मध्ये भलरे चलथिबो। मु प्रियसी प्रियदर्शनी महाराणा मु सिटी एंट्रेंस क्वालिफाई कला परे बलांगीर ईटीआई रु 2 वर्ष सिटी करिछि तापरे ओटीटी एवं सीटीटी मध्ये क्वालिफाई करछि। तेणु मते लागिला कि जदि मु मोर एक्सपीरियंस किछि आपण सहित शेयर करबी तो सेटा निश्चय आपण को हेल्प करबो आपण सिटी एंट्रेंस रे भलो नंबर रखिया पई क्वालिफाई करिया पई। तेणु जदि आप चाहूँ आप सिटी एंट्रेंस से भल नंबर क्वालिफाई करंतु तो आप तीनटा जिनस ध्यान दिंतु। प्रथमत है आम ओडिया मीडियम षष्ठ रु दशम पर्यंत जी बही अच्छी देखु मैथ पाई इंग्लिश ग्रामर पाई ओडिया ग्रामर हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी साइंस ए सब जिनस आप षष्ठ रु दशम पर्यंत ओडिया बुक फॉलो करंतु। द्वितीयत है जिते सब आमर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर आछी से क्वेश्चन पेपर को आपण सॉल्व करंतु। देखो 30 रु 40% हमर से क्वेश्चन पेपर रु ही आपण क्वेश्चन मिल जिवो। तृतीय तो हला जनरल नॉलेज पाई आ रीजनिंग पाई ए जिंस पाई आपण आर्यभट्ट रो बुक फॉलो करंतु। नचे YouTube रे मध्ये बहुत वीडियो बहुत ट्रिक वीडियो आछि जोटा कि आपन सहज रे आपन गाइडेंस मिल परिबो सिटी एंट्रेंस क्वालिफाई करिया पाई। आ रहिला टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड एटा बहुत भलो विषय रे ये जिनस आगक ये चैनल रे ही अरविंद सर आपको बहुत भल गाइडेंस देवे कारण सी ये जिनस बहुत दक्ष। कारण आम अरविंद सर आम क्लासमेट तो आम सांगे ही सिटी करूँ। सी जन भल टीचर जमी भल स्टूडेंट भी बहुत भल पिला से बहुत भल स्टूडेंट कारण आम सांगे जब पढ़ुलु प्रैक्टिस टीचिंग दूसरे से टाइम आम देखीचु से बहुत डेडिकेटेडली छुआ को पढ़ाती तो आपन को भी बहुत भल गाइडेंस मिलिबो। आपन ताको वीडियो देखंतु आ जहाँ भी गाइडेंस दरकार आपन पचारि परिबे। देखंतु जदि सिटी आपन थोड़े क्वालिफाई करि गले तो आगु को ओटीटी एंट्रेंस रे आपन को इजी हो कारण सिटी रे जो 12टा बुक्स हमर आसुची प्रथम वर्ष रे 6टा बुक आ द्वितीय वर्ष रे 6टा बुक से 12टा बुक बहुत जिंस पळे आसे ओटीटी एंट्रेंस पाई। तो आप कंटिन्यू जदि बहुत भल पढ़े सिटी एंट्रेंस क्वालिफाई करेंगे तापर ओटीटी क्वालिफाई करबा निश्चय आपन सहज हम एवं आपण पढ़ापढ़ी भलरे करंतु आतापरे जेते अरविंद सर आपन ट्रिक वीडियो देबे आ सहित टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड से बहुत देखे से भी आपन को भल गाइडेंस मिलिबो। आपण पढ़ापढ़ी जोरसे रे चलांतु सिटी एंट्रेंस रे भल नंबर रखी क्वालिफाई करिवारे। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, good evening, have a nice day. I hope you all are well and your preparation is also going very well. First of all, I will welcome you all to this teaching learning platform that has been created by Arvind sir, and as you have known very well that the name of the teaching learning platform is Fast Job Creator. And also I would like to say thanks to Arvind sir and who has given me an opportunity to introduce myself and also to keep my points of view, keep my opinions, how to crack an examination. So very thanks to Arvind sir. And before going towards the preparation, how to start preparation and all in all, first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lakshmi Sagar Park, or you can say me Alice Park, and at present I am working as a VAW as well as I am in charge of agriculture overseer. Before this I was working as a junior assistant in the Department of Revenue and Register Management, in the sub-register office both, and recently also I am there in both in the same place but in the different department, that is Department of Agriculture and Farmer Empowerment. So I would like to say one thing that Arvind sir and I am both were in the same places because we were doing CT in government ETEI Balangir in 2017-19 batch. So we have done a lots of fun there. Our preparation, our study as well as everything was very good there. I have a better experience in the same institute with Arvind sir also. So he's very pretty nice and he's brilliant, as well as his teaching skill I have seen that is brilliant. Okay, so he can many things he can assist you in your teaching learning process, or as well as basically I can say if you are in competitors or you are competing in other examination also, accepting in the teaching learning process also, he can assist you many things, provide you very good contents, and that will help you to improve your skill as well as knowledge so that you can compete with the others and grasp the seat very easily. So there is no doubt that Arvind sir can provide you very good quality of content to you. So I am mentioning your name here that, and I also motivating you saying that Arvind sir can provide you better quantity. This is not a myth, this is a truth. Okay, and you can imagine that if you have watched his video also, you will get better content, and after that you can say me that his content is not good or his presentation skill also not good. But as I have seen many video I have seen, as it started his teaching learning platform very shortly before 1 or 1.5 month, but he have already crossed 1.6k subscriber. So from here, from this records says that it's a teaching learning process is really definitely good, I hope, and in future also he will provide you very good content. So nevertheless, let's move to how to crack examination, city examination. I would like to say my experience, how I was prepared for city examination, how I crack, and all in all about my experience in the city course during my city course. First of all, I would like to say, before you starting preparation for any examination, you first know the detailed syllabus of the examination. That means each and every word, dot by bits. So you need to know the syllabus so that which contents you have to prepare and which are you have to eliminate, you can decide. If you go through the syllabus very practically and very purely, then almost all I think your 20% preparation is done. Okay, how? Suppose if you are preparing for math like profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, number system, these are some basic concepts. If you have basic idea about this also, that is no problem for you. That's so. If you prepare a little also, if you have already prepared, if you have thoroughly gone through these chapters in your 10th standard examination or 8th examination, then you can easily secure good marks in mathematics also. In the same process, the same is applied for all other subjects also, like language paper, like English, Odia, or like your GK GS paper like history, geography, or quantitative aptitudes like quantitative aptitude means that is teaching aptitudes, I think, teaching aptitudes. That means teaching aptitudes, this will helpful for who belongs to from the arts backgrounds. They have already go through the education subject. But who are from the science background, they may face a little bit problem, but that is not a major issue. So you can grasp it easily also. Arvind sir will guide you how to prepare for your that is teaching aptitudes. Okay, but I would like to say one thing, that is just like NEP 2020 or different organizations which are related to educations, or educational policy, right to educations. These are some basic chapters. If you go through this, you definitely secure 7 to 8 marks out of 10. And this is also your presence of mind. This will decide how you will deal with the children. So basically teaching quantities, that means teaching aptitude means how to deal with the students, and that is the major focus of you, and you should focus on that also. So my dear friends, I would like to say, if you are a beginner CM, you are starting preparation for city examination, this is not hard. If you are an average student also, you can easily crack this examination. First friends, I would like to say that you must go through this syllabus very practically and very thoroughly, so that you will have a basic framework and you will have a basic idea what to prepare and what not to prepare. The things which are necessary for your exam points of view, you must go through that, and otherwise you may leave the other examination pattern. Secondly, which books we like to follow? So books whatever you may follow, that is not a major problem, but go through a single book and revise that multiple times. What I say, you go through a single book and revise that multiple times. If you ask me, I will say that is a book from TBW private publication. Some books are published by TBW, so you may prefer that and you can go through that also. But I will once again repeat one thing, that go through a single book but multiple revision, that will help you to develop your skill as well as confidence to sit in the examination. And third point is that importance of the previous year questions. This is the first pillar, I can say. This is the major pillar of your examination. Suppose if you have not prepared yet, till now you have not seen the syllabus of the city examination, But if you go through all the previous year questions paper, at least 7 to 8 years or 10 years of questions paper, if you solve, then you definitely crack the city examination without your preparation. But you should have a basic knowledge about all these things like math or language paper like English, Odia, quantitative aptitudes or numerical values. If you have basic ideas about this also, without preparing or without going through any books, only you are focusing on also the previous year questions papers, that will help you to crack city examination. So my dear friends, first of all I would like to say you must go through the syllabus thoroughly. Then second points, if you are choosing any books, then you must choose your book and revise that multiple times. Don't move from here to there. That will not help you a lot. And third point I would like to say, previous year questions paper, that is you can say also Ramban. Understood what I am saying? That is also Ramban means if you prepare thoroughly, if you go through your previous questions paper like 5 years, 10 years or whatever you may get, go through that and solve again and again, so that you will have a basic idea, you will get the basic framework of a city examination, what kinds of questions are coming there, level of questions those are they choosing. So you will have a basic idea about this, and according to that you will have some basic knowledge how to prepare for this. So finally I would like to say city examination now is a very hard examination. If you are an average student also, you can crack the examination very well. So my dear friends, if I will say about this video will be very long. So just I am saying here, and if opportunity comes, I will come to this platform again and we will start make conversation again. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.